Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Cleraux Brown Fat Extract Nano Micro Needle Patch. The makers claim this little sticker can activate brown fat, trigger UCP, 1 thermogenesis, extract fat metabolites, and even balance your blood sugar. It supposedly suppresses appetite, tightens skin, and improves liver health, all while giving you a boost of energy. It's basically a magic wand in a Band-Aid, assuming you believe in fairy tales. Just stick it on, watch it change color as proof it's working, and wait for the miracle. Sounds amazing, right? But before you throw your gym membership in the trash, let's break down the reality. The first major concern is the weight loss claims. The website suggests users can drop 50 to over 130 pounds in just a few weeks. Honestly, losing weight that fast isn't just unrealistic. It's a one-way ticket to a hospital bed. There is zero medical evidence that a patch can melt half a person away in a month. Then there's the visible brown fat extraction gimmick. They claim the patch turns brown to show your fat burning, but in reality, brown fat activity isn't something you can see visually on a sticker. It's more of a middle school science experiment than actual medical technology. The product also loves using fancy, pseudoscientific language to sound sophisticated. Terms like UCP, one-driven thermogenesis, and nano-micro-needle activation are great for winning Scrabble, but they mean nothing without published clinical studies to back them up. To make matters worse, their marketing relies heavily on scare tactics. They'll mention cancer, liver failure, and heart disease just to pressure you into a panic buy. Because nothing says trustworthy health brand like threatening you with a terminal illness to sell a box of patches. Finally, let's talk about the reviews. The website is glowing with 5-star testimonials that all conveniently sound like they were written by the same person in a marketing basement. Meanwhile, verified third-party sites have absolutely nothing to say about it, which makes those internal reviews look pretty suspicious. Between the impossible weight loss promises, the fake science, and the fear-based marketing, this patch has more red flags than an international referee. It's a highly questionable product, to say the least. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.